how to add the duplicate of your running project in YT Create application. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the duplicate of your running project in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Open the YT Create application. From there you can see I have already selected up the project, and this is the blank project. You can add your video, you can add your photo, and you can add your desired video. You can add your desired project there. So you can see I have a blank project. If I want to create the copy of that blank project, I can simply scroll the list. You can see I have the duplicate option, so I can just simply tap right here on the duplicate. You can see I have created up 2 files of my that project. So this is how you can easily add the duplicate. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.